Welcome to Paru Yoga. Let us energize our entire body in this yoga practice. If you have any video request, please comment below. Let's start. Let's start with hero pose. Sitting on your knees and heels. Close your eyes and be aware of everything in your body and mind. After a while, open your eyes. Be on a high plank, hands placed wide, neck aligns with spine, legs are engaged and holds strong. Breath is normal and calm. Lower down slowly, take your time. Your hands are holding strong. Don't strain. Once you are down, adjust yourself for a low cobra pose. Bring your legs and feet together. Press the top of your feet into the mat. Pinch your elbows together behind you and lift your chest up above the mat. Hover your hands above the mat and feel the gentle motion with each breath. Lower your head and face to the left. Your arms down by your sides. Palms facing up. Let your feet fall open and relax. Draw your chin back to center. Interlace your hands behind your lower back. Bring your legs and feet together. Press the tops of your feet down and raise your chest up above the mat. Extend through your back arms by slightly lifting your arms off your back, shoulders rolling open. Raise up a little bit higher and lift your legs. Hold for a few seconds. Now let's move into Savasana. Lower down for Savasana. Left ear goes down, arms fall open. Relax completely for a while. Draw your chin back to center. Your hands underneath your shoulders. Be on a downward facing dog. Take steps to top of your mat. Find a halfway lift. Slide your hands up your shins. Your heart opens as you press your chest forward. Inhale and exhale to forward fold. Inhale, mountain pose, come all the way up. Exhale and forward fold. Come all the way down, ease your knees. Once more, halfway lift. Slide your hands up your shins. Press your heart forward. Inhale and exhale. Place your hands at front. Step your feet back high to low plank. All at once. Slow, gentle and controlled. Upward facing dog. As you inhale, shoulders roll open. Downward facing dog. As you exhale, inhale deep through your nose and exhale full through your mouth. Exhale and get to the top of the mat. Halfway lift and forward fold. Inhale, mountain pose and exhale, fold one more halfway lift. Inhale. Chaturanga high to low plank. Inhale, upward dog. Exhale, downward dog. Reach your right leg high. Inhale deep. Exhale, bring your knee to touch your right elbow. Use your core support. Inhale, reach your right leg high. Inhale, reach your right leg high. Exhale, right knee to your left elbow across the body. Touch it once. Inhale, reach your right leg high. Exhale, step it through low lunge. Stack your knee above your ankle, round into your right foot as you stand up into a one-leg mountain pose. Left knee lifting, arms reaching up to balance, gaze on one spot. Bring your hands together at heart center and ground down. Inhale, arms reach back up. Exhale, reach your left arm back and grab left foot to be on for a dancer pose. Get your knees together and bow open through your chest as you extend your left foot into your left hand. Reach your right hand directly forward and gently release your back foot. Extend both hands forward for a warrior pose 3. Set your gaze. Breath is normal and set up for half moon. Lower your right hand down, reach your left hand high and flex your left toes back. Slowly step back into warrior pose 2. Keep your right knee bending open. Take your hands to your hips, fingertips inside of your hip bones and push to engage the space between your hip bones, so that when you push there is some resistance. Reach your arms up for warrior 2 and then reverse warrior pose. Right arm reaches high and your core is still engaged. Inhale and exhale to extended side angle. Right arm reaches down. Left arm reaches high. Reach your arms overhead. Your core is strong, belly is tight. Now reverse triangle. Reach your right arm overhead as you straighten up both legs. Inhale deep, exhale full and take both hands down to the mat for downward facing dog. Your hands are holding strong and reach your left leg high. Inhale and exhale, left knee to left elbow. Inhale, reach your left leg high. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale, reach your left leg high. Exhale, left knee to your right elbow and tap it once. Inhale, reach your left leg high. Exhale, low lunge. Step forward and rise up into one leg mountain. Rise, knee lifting up. Inhale, arms reach back up. Exhale, reach your right arm back and be on dancer pose, grabbing onto back ankle, knees together. Inhale deep to bow open into dancer pose, then release your back ankle to be on warrior pose 3. Set your gaze and slowly open up into half moon. Lower your left arm down, right arm high. You may find some motion on your. Place your fingers on the mat. Flex your right toes. Step back into warrior 2 and grab onto your hips, fingers inside of your hip bones and press. Inhale, reverse warrior, left arm reaches high. Exhale to extended side angle, reverse triangle. Both legs straight and left arm reaches high. Then cartwheel both hands down to your mat. Chaturanga high to low plank. Inhale, upward dog. Get into downward facing dog. Lower down to your knees and take a seat on your heels into hero pose. Place your hands in your lap, palms facing down. Gently close your eyes and breathe normally to calm down. Let's end today's practice by being in this pose for a while, observing the increased energy flowing through your body and bringing in positivity in your mind. Namaste. Thank you all for joining me in this practice. How is your energy level now? Comment below. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notification bell. See you in the next video. Be healthy and happy. Namaste.